Friday. It's Sarah here with another fun virtual science station experiment for us to do together. So today we are going to be doing the baking soda balloon experiment. So follow along for all the materials and directions you need to do this experiment. So for this experiment, you'll be needing a recycled plastic bottle, a funnel, a balloon, some baking soda, and some vinegar. First, we're going to go ahead and using the funnel, pour approximately 1/3 of a cup of baking soda into the balloon. Then we're going to set that aside. I would recommend doing this experiment over a tray like the one I'm using or over the sink because it will get a little bit messy. Next, we're going to pour approximately 1 cup of vinegar into our recycled plastic bottle. For the final step of this experiment, we are going to carefully, without spilling the baking soda, remove the balloon containing the baking soda from the funnel and attach it to the top part of this bottle. Once the balloon is attached, we will lift it upright so the baking soda falls into the bottle and watch the reaction. Okay, now I'm going to lift up the baking soda balloon and watch what happens. So as you can see, it caused the balloon to inflate, and we see all of these bubbles. The balloon popped off, the air was so intense. So this is happening from a reaction that baking soda and vinegar, which are also, baking soda is a base or an alkaline, vinegar is an acid. When they meet, they form a reaction that causes carbon dioxide bubbles to form, and the gas to form, which push the air up into the balloon and cause the balloon to pop out of the bottle like so. So there you have it. That's another fun science experiment for us all to do at home with some pretty simple materials. We hope you all are well. Please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website, subscribe to our newsletter. We have some awesome new stuff coming at you here pretty shortly. So, all right, we'll talk to you later. See you next time.